Happy 2018 and welcome to my first unboxing of the year, the Samsung Gear IconX. Now, some of you may have seen my previous unboxing of the Samsung Gear IconX from 2017, and if you saw my review of the product, then you'll realize that I wasn't a big fan of, well, I liked the promise, but I didn't think they executed it as well as they could have done, and in turn, I ended up sending them back. So as a result, I've been sent the 2018 version, which should hopefully address a lot of the problems that I had. One of which I remember particularly was the fact that the IconX earbuds actually, while they were in your ear, thought that they weren't, and therefore disconnected. So here we go. Comes in a pretty straightforward box. There's all the bulk that comes with it. Now I should mention that I've been sent these for review purposes. I'll be sending them back at the end of my review. So these are cord-free fitness earbuds, and the box is a little more subtle and less remarkable than a lot of the ones that you receive from Samsung. But as this is the era of wireless audio, the insides is really all we care about. And these look incredibly similar to the last ones, a little more refined, I would say. The box itself contains a fair amount of packaging that looks like I put that together in an ICT design tech class. Quick start guide. The terms and conditions and health and safety, which in my entire lifetime have never even opened one of those things. And the additional earbuds, or I should say the additional earbud grips that help you choose your size. I could do without those falling everywhere, but hey. So actually last time I tried every single one of these, from the largest, I've got pretty damn big ears, to the smallest, which was completely pointless, and none of them really felt too comfortable after a prolonged period of time, by which I mean about half an hour. So let's hope these ones fit a little snugger. It's not something I typically have an issue with. So there we go, there's the earbud case. So this will be where we charge the earbuds. This is a lot smaller than the last time actually, which is pretty nice. I was impressed with it last time. I'm coming across as a complete moron because I cannot seem to find the the section there we go. There we go, there's the peeler. So basically placing the earbuds in these will charge them. Actually so interestingly, last time I feel like this sprung up, but it also broke within the first week just after my review, I think. So actually maybe they've removed that entirely and it falls loose, which is fine. If it doesn't break, that's all I care about. As I say, a little more pocket sized, and we'll put that in the left one. There we go. No, there we don't go. There we go. And this in the left one. And that is your lot. Not particularly exciting, but when you close that, if this is being charged, it will charge the device, or both headset or earbuds, and you'll be good to go. You can just carry that around with you, pop it open, and they'll be fully charged. So it is a really nice portable charging solution. So other than that, I've got an awful lot of folded cardboard, and here attached we have a USB to USB-C adapter, and we've got the standard charging port for the case itself. So they'll go in the back there, and then we'll either plug that into the wall, plug it into a computer, whatever you want to do with it, and charge that. So there you go. So there you go, that is the Samsung Gear IconX 2018 unboxing. I'm looking forward to seeing how these compare to the 2017 versions. You can actually click one of the links on the screen in a few seconds just to see what the issues that I had with the 2017 version were. It's rare that I get the chance to test out a brand new device on launch and then its successor also on launch. So I am really looking forward to seeing if these actually fulfill the promises that the first Gear IconX actually made. There are other reviews on screen as well. Please subscribe, please like. A review will be coming very soon, and thank you very much for watching.